In this guide, I will show you how to log in ABN AMRO Bank step-by-step guide. All you have to do, go to Google and search for this keyword, ABN AMRO Bank. After that, click login option. When you click login option, you will see private and business like. And then all you have to do, guys, translate this to English to get better result. Open ABN AMRO Bank and scan this code. When you scan this one, you will be redirected to login page. Or you can click this one and then write your paste in your name. This is for your name. And then write your response. This is the response, guys. Just translate this to English to get better result. As I said, this is English. Write your phone number and then click login option. And you can also log in with QR code, as I say. Just click login with this one QR code. If you don't forget login, you can click help login option. Write your phone number here, guys, for example this one, and write response. Click login with your phone number. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. You can log in this app with your app. Just download this app on Google Play or App Store. After that, log in successfully without any problem.